Folks, I'm on the 10 car 1 spin star free mall train right now, going to record the Hayward Yard. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on the Hayward Yard. Looks like going to speed up here fast. Alright, I'm on the 10 car 1 spin train, going just towards the Hayward Yard. Speed up here fast, we'll just be going towards 35 miles per hour from here, or 80 miles per hour from where old train is. So you will see the old train from the next to me. Alright, go folks, it comes which is the Hayward Yard. Woo! They got the fleet and future trains here. 2 of them in the yard. Woo! There's more in the yard. Alright. You see more coming up on the opposite way too. You will see from the other way. Alright, I'm gonna pull it on the other side. You will see a new fleet and future going on that yard too. You see right there coming up. Oh, here you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 car fleet in the future right there. Going back to Marcel, so I can say goodbye. I'm about to get off the New York City next stop. So that is about it. Say goodbye. My name is Tim. See you later on the Hayward Yard.